Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a plan with me video, but this one is a little different. So normally I film my videos on like Sunday and then I post them the next week on a Monday, so not that following day on a Sunday, only because I like to give myself some editing time. And being a teacher and I was in school this past month and you know, all my other side hustles and everything, like it just got too crazy. So I always film on like a Sunday and then I post it that following week on a Monday. But this week is different because this was my week right here, okay? I did not make it pretty. I've been writing things down as I knew I needed to complete them, only because I wanted to film a video for you guys. I wanted to make it pretty. Like, I like making it pretty, and I had the time to make it pretty on like commuting to work and stuff, like on the train. I had the time to do that, but I didn't have the time to film it. So I ended up just like writing everything down. I printed this right here, printed it. We're gonna follow along with this sheet and we're gonna make it how I normally would make it, because it's not about making it pretty. That doesn't take me so long. It's like the filming part where I just didn't have an hour or so to sit down and film. So we're gonna erase all of this stuff here. Let me just turn up the brightness so you guys can see what I'm doing. We're gonna erase all of this here, all of this, and I missed some pieces. Okay, so we erased it all. Like I said, I got my sheet here. We're going to follow along. By doing it this way, we'll be able to go day by day, since I already have everything laid out in my planner. So I'm going to start off by just writing the days. I'm not going to do the weather because I didn't write that in ahead of time. I mean, and it was a shorter week at work. I only needed like a couple of outfits in the beginning of this week. I can't believe like work is over for 2 months. I mean, I can't believe it. I've been looking forward to it this whole entire time. It's just, you know, it's just crazy to like think that. Okay, so I'm going to put down all of these kind of like highlights that I always do every single time. I think you guys are familiar with this. I just use the highlighting tool and I write down my category. And I don't know if you guys notice right now, but I'm using a blue pen instead of the black that I normally use, so the blue color this time. I'm going to lasso this, and I'm only going to show you guys this once, and then I'm going to fast forward. So lasso this, copy, and then paste it all throughout. And then I'm going to continue by making some events. Some are going to be hustle, some are going to be little things, and I will just be back as soon as I'm done with that. So I'm not even going to fast forward, and you guys don't even need to see that. But it's just basically repeating everything I just did, just with different colors and different phrases. So I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, I'm back. I have all my colors, teaching, events, to do, hustle, and little things on the bottom. So teaching, I normally always just make a kind of checklist. Okay, and I'm gonna write IEPs, and I'm just gonna like make a little checklist. I'm gonna copy and paste my checklist that I made, the box, and just make a little to-do list. Okay, so I finished writing in all my teaching stuff, IEPs, school assignments, writing papers. I do have to put in that I have class on Tuesday, or that I had class on Tuesday. So I'm going to go to, where is, I don't know why I did that. I'm trying to find those stickers. I don't remember where I put them. Maybe here? Okay, yeah, so I had class. I'm going to take these guys, take this, copy, and I'm going to paste him onto Tuesday. Now Tuesday, it was actually like a later class day. It was the last class and we were presenting online. The last class is normally an in-person class, but it wasn't for us. There was like some things that had to change, so I'm going to write online. And instead of 5 to 8, it was going 5 to 9. Okay, so there is my kind of teaching stuff. On Friday, I have a doctor, or had a doctor's appointment. I keep saying have. Had. Doctor appointment, so I'm going to copy that sticker, go back here, and paste him onto Friday. And that was like early in the morning, so that's dermatologist. Okay, and then Saturday I have an event. Oh my gosh guys, today's Sunday. I keep saying have. Okay, so I had a graduation to go to. So I'm going to use this don't forget sticker. And I'm going to put him on to Saturday. And I'm going to put graduation. And then I also had a Genius Bar appointment on Thursday. So I did go in Thursday. It was last day of school on Wednesday. I went in on Thursday anyway. But I had a Genius Bar appointment. So I'm going to put that down here. Go back here. Select appointment. I'm going to use the pink one this time. I keep forgetting to select the lasso tool when I come back into here. Okay, then resize this. Okay, I think that's it for like event kind of stuff where I needed that sticker for. So now I'm just gonna like go through this, and I will be going into, so I'll show you guys. I'm gonna be going into my stickers, and I'm gonna grab these 3. You know what? I kind of want to grab more than that. Let's just grab a whole bunch. Maybe I should use different colors for the whole week. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my planner. And I'm going to paste them all right here. I will move those around. But anyway, so I have a video that went up, or I had videos that went up, so I guess we'll use this guy. Okay, so a video went up on Monday, and a video went up on Thursday. I've been doing really good with this YouTube thing, guys, so if you're going to give this video a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up either for the video, or because I've been, like, consistent with this schedule. So, my hourly PWM Plan With Me video went up at 2 p.m., and then on Thursday, it was another video. I think it was like some kind of crafty video. I don't even remember off the top of my head. Crafty at 2 p.m. So I'm just going to put that. Okay, so that was Monday and Thursday. Those videos actually went up. Then I know I needed to edit a video. So I'm going to use this pink one. And we're going to put it here on Monday. I know I needed to edit the video for Thursday before it went up, because, you know, I gotta edit it before it goes up. So now you guys can see upload and the edit kind of image. So this was the KS Craft haul. And then I also wanted to schedule that. So I'm just gonna write underneath that schedule. Now we're gonna go on to Tuesday. All this will get moved around. I promise, guys, it's not gonna stay like that. I know I have like tons of videos I am filming today, which is Sunday, so tons of filming videos. Okay, so I'm going to grab my checklist here. Oops, I don't want images on, just the handwriting, and I'm going to add so many of my checklists. I'm also going to add one down here because I need to remember to water my plants, and I will end up adding that on every single day. So let me do that actually first. So water plants. And I will come back to you guys when I'm done copying and pasting this. Okay, so I am back. Alright, so I'm trying to go in order. Okay, back to Tuesday. I'm going to make a checklist. Oops, I copied and pasted the water plants, so we'll just erase that. And I'll copy the checklist again because I'll be copying and pasting that. So I know I needed to work on a custom tabs order. Somebody ordered custom tabs for their planner. So I needed to get that done and email that to the person. And then I called or I wanted to call. So before I knew there was a Genius Bar appointment, I called Apple because my AirDrop has been like a little funky. Okay, so that was it for my Tuesday because the rest of that was like class all day long. So then on Wednesday, bringing back the checklist. So I'll paste some more of my checklist in here. So I wanted to organize my office and then plan out YouTube content, which I did, only to realize I forgot to put to plan in the content that I'll be filming with the scrapbook. Totally forgot about that. And then I know I also needed to email a company, and I actually need to figure out what videos I'm filming kind of for that company. So it's just like a matcha video. They sent me some matcha, and I love matcha, and I've been trying to figure out other recipes because I have, I think, one video where it was like matcha and like what I made with matcha. I don't remember. Maybe I didn't do that, but I do like so many things with matcha. So, and like the matcha powder, green tea stuff, I love it. So I was like, oh, you're offering me free matcha? Like, sure. And I wanted to do a video anyway on the things that I like to make with matcha. So I have a few things in mind. I just need to like plan it out and figure that out completely. My Wednesday is pretty much done, except that I did go to my sister's house between my planning time and between the Genius Bar. So I'm just going to write Paulina's house because I took the train back with her. She happened to be in the city. So we took the train back together. So Paulina's house was in between here, and I'm going to put that guy in blue because that's like kind of like an event, I would say. I mean, it's not like, you know, it was planned, but it's not like an event. I don't know. Okay, but I wanted to highlight it in like the blue. Okay, then on Friday, so events, I had the doctor appointment. I'm going to add in a little to-do checklist here. So I'm going to copy this to-do and I'm going to paste it right here underneath. And then I'm going to outline it in black. Create some straight lines. So to create straight lines, you just have to have this tool selected. I'm going to go back to my blue, and then I'm going to add my checklist. Oops. Need to copy it again. Okay, so I needed to contact the Department of Education because I seem to have lost my teacher ID. So I'm trying to get a replacement for that. Okay, then on Friday night, I needed to announce the giveaway winner. Then we're going to fill out this middle part here. So I'm going to, I need to like add in Etsy orders. So hold on. Let's go to my stickers. We got to grab my Etsy orders. So I'm actually just going to leave it like that. And I'm going to color it with the pink. Okay, so Etsy orders, and then I'm going to add the checklist. Okay, so I just pasted a whole bunch of checklist stuff. Whatever I don't use, I will erase. So I wanted to make a card for my babe. I wanted to make a teapot card, which I did, and it looks fantastic. I wanted to organize my dies, which I finished until I got some new ones that I now need to organize. And then I wanted to film a video. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to grab a sticker, a filming sticker. Okay, so then we got that. And I'm going to put project share. I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted to see a project share video of the things that I created. So I'm excited for that video to go live for you guys to see. So I filmed it on that day. Then I also needed to film like a whole bunch of other stuff. So I think let's do film. So on Sunday there's going to be like a film, edit, film. Oh my gosh, it's a lot of filming. I'm not even done filming yet. This is my second video that I'm filming today. I don't know if I'll get through everything. It might be like a late night. So let's go grab some of these things. And again, I am all over the place and I apologize. I was trying to go day by day and these filming stickers, I just wanted to get in. Okay, so film. The good thing is that I'm on like a filming roll, so that's good. Okay, so some of these might either get moved to tomorrow or they're just going to get filmed really late at night. So I wanted to film a monthly plan with me, film this PWM. I wanted to film for this coming week, and I wanted to film one of the scrapbook layouts. Don't know how well all that's going to work out. And then I also know I need to edit this this plan with me video that I am filming right now. And we're going to move him here. Oh my gosh, and I also wanted to film a haul video, guys. I just got rid of all those stickers. Okay, so let's grab, I guess, this pink sticker. So I wanted to film a haul, which is the other video that I filmed so far this morning. Lots of filming. It's not gonna happen all day today. Okay, so I'm just gonna write it in. Okay, and then down here I'm just gonna continue filling out my checklist for for today, because today's Sunday. So I'm gonna finish filling this in. I was telling my boyfriend that like I'm on a roll of filming, and he was like, "You're gonna run out of things to film." And I was like, "Nah, I could just order some more crafty stuff and then make some videos of like how I'm gonna, you know, make all that crafty stuff." So I thought it was funny. Okay, plan matcha videos. I need to do that. Okay, and then up here, just gonna add a to-do list. So I'm actually gonna copy these checklists, because there's already 3 in a row for me, and paste those here. Okay, so I need to figure out my breakfast meal prep. There's like these sweet potato bowls that I love to make over the summer. So I need to figure out like my grocery list for that. So I'm also gonna write grocery list. Okay, we'll erase this guy, and then I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna copy Paulina's house when I went to my sister's house, because she called me earlier this morning and was like, "Hey, you want to come over?" So I told her I need to edit videos, but I'm going to go over there and edit while chilling in her pool, because you know what? It is summer, guys, and that's what I get to do over the summer. Get to chill in a pool and edit videos, because I still have like stuff to do. So that's going to be it for this plan with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry that I didn't get to do this earlier, but it was going to get posted at the same time anyway, since it gets posted on Monday, which is tomorrow, because it's supposed to be last week Sunday that I never got to film. But I also think it's good that you guys got to see what it did look like and what it turned out to look like. So I like that you guys got to see that as well. And you know what? I'm being real with you guys, because I didn't get a chance to film, so I kind of just like wrote everything down of what I needed to do, and then now it came together, so now it's beautiful. Alright guys, so I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click that red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!